I must say how things have changed from 2042 to 2052. In our day, an apple was computer. Now this is an apple.
Very, very good joke. Very funny. Why don't you try and bite into that apple and see if your teeth are working, you know? Because at 6 o'clock today, you have a dentist's appointment.
Well, I don't want to go to meet any bloody dentist.
Okay, if you don't want to go, don't go. But at least send your teeth to him.
Let me just tell you how my heart aches for all the people who appeared on the week that wasn't and made it a glorious spectacle for all the public. I miss Leonardo DiCaprio. I miss Shobha De. I miss George Fernandez. I miss Queen Cleopatra II. I miss, what is your aunt's name? Saraswati, that belly dancer who used to...
I have to correct you at this point. The only person who did not appear on the show was the Saraswati belly dancer. But I also miss the other people who are old now.
आशिकी है तेरी जाएगी जा मेरी दे दिल चाइनाटाउन में दे दिल चाइनाटाउन में है कसम है तेरी
Mrs. Pratima, this is not Indian Idol. This is actually a talk show.
Hi, Cyrus. I'm just enjoying the China, you know. It's very beautiful here. You know, they all gave me such beautiful compliments also.
Beautiful compliments, really? What kind of compliments?
You know, it's a bit complicated compliment. I did not completely understand. Hey, Cyrus, maybe you can help me with your high-polluting English.
Of course, sure. What compliment?
You know, something, bull in China shop.
Oh, that's beautiful. What a lovely thing to say to a lady. Yes, I know that, ma'am. Just a few questions about the president's trip to China.
Of course, Cyrus. You are most welcome. You can ask me anything.
No need for that. Thank you, Mrs. Pratima.
What is this, Mrs. Pratima? Just call me Pratima.
Why? No, sure. I mean, ma'am, let's move on. Do you sincerely believe that the president will achieve anything in China, considering that this kind of visit is actually more symbolic and usually heavy on ceremony and rather light on policy? I mean, eventually the president is just a titular post.
Hey, Cyrus, you are such a naughty fellow.
What do you mean, ma'am?
How you are using bad words like titular? You know, in fact, when I was young, they used to call me also very titular.
Ma'am, don't go there. Don't go there.
Go where?
Nowhere. Don't go anywhere. I'll change the subject. Oh, God, I'm feeling right here. President Patil met the Chinese president on Thursday, and apparently you were there. So what do you think of the Chinese president?
Who?
That's right. Who?
Who?
Yes, who? Who? The Chinese president.
Who? The Chinese president is who?
You're in China and you don't know who?
Who I don't know. You're talking of who?
I'm talking of the Chinese president. Who? Jintao.
Then say that no. What who you are doing all the time? Huh?
Okay, all right. How was your meeting with who?
Meeting who?
Meeting who? How was it meeting President Jintao?
Oh, Jintao, he's very silly. He knows nothing about the China.
What do you mean he knows nothing about China?
He knows nothing. He's never heard of the gobi Manchurian or the sweet and sour paneer or the veg fried rice or anything Chinese.
Ma'am, I'm not sure that's a good way to judge President Jintao.
But you know, he is a very big IPL fan.
Who is an IPL fan?
Yes, he wants to come to India for next IPL, you know. Apparently, his relatives also own one team in India.
The president of China's relatives own an IPL? I don't believe this. Are you sure?
Yes, Baba, I am quite positive.
Who?
Again, you are starting this who.
No, not who. I mean, look, I'll rephrase that. You said the president Hu Jintao of China's relatives own an IPL team. So what is the name of President Jintao's relative?
Preeti Jintao.
Look, Preeti Zinta is not related to President Hu Jintao.
Really? Are you positive?
Yes, I am.
Oh dear, I better say sorry when I meet him tonight.
You are meeting President Hu Jintao tonight?
Yes, in fact, I'm also going to sing him one welcome song.
You will sing a welcome song. I hope it's not that Himesh number you were singing in the beginning.
Arey no, Papa Re. Just a small gesture to wish him, how do you do?
Oh, so you'll be singing how for who?
What?
Nothing, nothing. Thanks, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I'll see. मेरा नाम चिन चिन चू बाबा चिन चिन चू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो जिंटाओ हाउ डू यू डू